If you want to quickly browse Steam demos and find free game trials without digging through the entire store, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the fastest way to get to the demos section on Steam, how to browse the available game demos, and how to open any demo page so you can check it out for yourself. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can do this by visiting store.steampowered.com. Once the Steam homepage loads, look at the top menu. Steam organizes a lot of its content into different categories, so the easiest way to find demos is through the Special Sections area. Now hover over Special Sections. When you do that, Steam should reveal a drop-down menu with several browsing options. From that menu, click Demos. This will take you directly to Steam's Demos page, where you can explore available game demos and trials without having to search manually one by one. As soon as the demos page opens, you'll see a selection of games that currently offer demo versions. This is a great way to try out new releases, discover smaller indie games, or test a title before deciding whether you want to buy the full version. Steam updates this section regularly, so it's worth checking back often if you like trying games before you commit. Now scroll down to browse the game demos and trials. You can take your time going through the list, looking at the cover art, game titles, and any available details. If something catches your eye, click on the demo to open its store page. That page will give you more information, including screenshots, description, system requirements, and the option to download or play the demo if it's available in your region. This method is especially useful because it saves time. Instead of searching for demos individually, you're going straight to the section designed for them. Whether you're looking for a new action game, strategy title, simulation, or indie release, Steam's demos page makes discovery much easier. If you want, you can also use the demos page as a starting point and then continue browsing related games from the store page once you find something interesting. That helps you compare different titles and discover even more games you might enjoy. And that's it. Now you know how to browse Steam demos the fast and easy way. Open Steam Store, hover over Special Sections, click Demos, then scroll through the available trials and open any demo that interests you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.